Good afternoon, everyone. Uh, Thank you for being here. Uh, I welcome you all on behalf of Beetle for this small gathering in this beautiful city of Hyderabad. We thank the people of Andhra Pradesh for embracing Beetle Mobiles and keeping the faith on the Beetle brand and giving us an opportunity to serve you through our technology devices. We are grateful to our business partners, that is distributors, retailers, our sales team, and our media friends, without whose support Beetle would not have reached the present stature. Today is a big day for Beetle, as well as our customers and business partners. We started our mobile business less than a year back, and now we are one of the prominent emerging players in the market. CMAI, a renowned association for promotion of Indian IT and telecom sector, has recognized Beetle by conferring the Emerging Mobile Handset Company Award in CMAI 5th National Telecom Awards 2011. Mr. Sachin Pilot, Minister for State for Communications, Mr. Jyotirajay Scindia, Minister of State for Commerce and Industries, presented this award to Mr. Vinod Sani, CEO and Executive Director, Beetle Teletech Limited. Beetle Mobiles offer you mobile devices which suit your requirements and make your day-to-day life more convenient. We are proud to announce that our product portfolio is growing every month, and we are experiencing immense growth across the country. We are in the process of becoming amongst the top 3 Indian players in the mobile handset industry in the next 2 years. As a mass device manufacturer, our motto is to deliver products which are affordable and have features which are not available in mobile phones in the same price category. So basically, we offer products at a N+1 value, at a N-1 price. Riding on the back of excellence in quality, service, innovation, and value for money technology offerings, we are also in the process of setting up a robust distribution network. This will help provide our customers easy accessibility and availability of our phones. This is coupled by very strong after-sales service. We have more than 400 after-sales service centers across the country which provide exceptional after-sales service to our customers. Beetle Mobiles are known for their quality and affordability. Keeping the Bharti legacy intact, Beetle Mobiles have created a niche in the highly cluttered Indian handsets industry. Beetle is aggressively planning to bring to the market feature-rich handsets with highly competitive price and become amongst the top 3 mobile players in the country in the next 2 years. Beetle is also planning to launch high-end products with larger screen sizes, operating on Android, which is the latest technology these days, which is the latest buzzword. Very soon. We'll be launching with some touchscreen phones, etc. in the coming months. Our products have innovative and customized applications for the Indian customers, unlike the ones offered by global brands. So not only are we focused on the hardware, we are very focused on the VAS component of phones. We are equally focused on applications, which is what is driving today's youth. Today we gather here to launch our new range of mobile handsets. This affordable and feature-rich range is designed looking at requirements of our customers, and as is the Beetle promise, offer them huge value for money. The 2 mobile phones which you're going to see, GD310 and GD218, are our star products, which are highly affordable, have very long battery life, which is suited for the Indian requirement, and have inbuilt social media and infotainment tools. These products are highly customized to the requirements of the Indian audience, and they come at very affordable price and are very feature rich. The customers will also get advantage of our, and hence we've decided to launch our new range of phones in Hyderabad. We have come here to introduce these products to you. Our product team, which is represented by Suryansh, to detail out these 2 models. Hyderabad is very potential market for us, and we foresee good business coming from our mobile division. We have very ambitious plans for this region, which we'll be unveiling as we interact with you in future. As we penetrate the market, we will keep adding value to our devices by investing heavily on design and development. and also bring more innovative products for the masses. So Beetle will stay true to its promise of taking technology to the masses, and we'll continue to launch more a month coming time to enhance our range, and which will be backed by excellent distribution network. Our promise to the customer remains good value for money at a very, very affordable price. Thank you.